Alrighty tighty folks, I guess we're going to make this a three-parter. 2 parts today, last part tomorrow when we actually bolt it on the go-kart. It's dark out there, it's after dinner time. I only eat once a day, so you know what I mean? That's right, I've already shut all the heat and stuff off. What I'm going to do is I made the tray, and I put a little, put some brakes in it to give it some stability, make it stiff, you know. And just sheet at 060 would have been a little flimsy floppy, right? It fits real good. You can see it's going to get bolted on up there. So it fits real good. It fits the angle of the brackets real well. But what I didn't like is this here. This would be a weak point here. I know I'm probably overdoing it, right? I'm probably overkilling this thing, but I don't ever want to have to work on this piece again, right? I don't want to have to deal with this down the road. So I took a piece of T6. This stuff here is not bendable. You bend it and it just breaks. I mean, you can't even bend a 45 in it. It's hard to bend it round without it breaking. So I figure I'll use, and it's the same thickness. It's 060. What I'm going to do now is, that's right, I got out the monster, the old carbon fiber helicopter stainless steel leading edge glue. This stuff is killer, man. And what I'm going to do is mix it up first. And I got a mixing tip, but it's this long, and those mixing tips are expensive. I'll just spooge it out, mix it up by hand, spread it on. I clamped it all together and drilled all the holes, so everything's going to line up. We'll go ahead and pop rivet it together, and we'll call it a night. Tomorrow I'll come out. I made the piece without the extra pieces on. Again, nipping it in the bud, right? I'm going to make steel brackets, and we'll get those on tomorrow and get the holes popped in and finish it off. That way we can get to mounting the e-box and the battery pack and all that stuff. We're going to put some little pieces of some kind of pieces of angle or something like this on either side of the battery pack as well, just to keep it in one position. And I don't know if we'll drill holes and zip tie, or if we'll use some kind of O-ring or elastic little band or something to hold it in place. But with the little ledges on here, the battery can't get off of here if it's held down at all. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix up some glue, spread it on, pop rivet this bad boy together, and then head in for the night. I'll load you guys up this one in the first video, and then tomorrow when you check in, I should have her bolted down, have the e-box in place, battery, everything looking good. Then I can start wiring. Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's all good. Hang in there, y'all. Not everybody gets to play with the good stuff, but really, you could use 5-minute epoxy and do the same thing. When you bond and rivet this stuff, man, I'm telling you, that's what they used to make Indy cars out of. Bonded and riveted aluminum. So, hey, if it's good enough for Indy, it's good enough for RPM. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you.